the whole organization from day one to this day. It was a beautiful moment. I think this is one of my top two festivals in the whole of Central Region. That's what I'm saying.
Wow. So you've been here since.
Yeah, I was here on Tuesday for the regatta.
So last year's regatta, this year's regatta. What would you say?
Oh, I think it's great. This year's regatta is kind of it's cool. It's better than last year's one. I think the organizers have really done well.
Great. So we have Nii Taki in town. I mean, as a Ghana person living your life in the West, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What would you tell your Ghana people? We have a lot of gas on the coast here in Elmina, in Cape Coast, and I'm sure there are a lot of gas also in the Western region. What message do you have for them? We are preaching peace.
Yeah. So, what I would say is that this is a beautiful sight to behold. Like I said before, the Greater Accra region, Central region. This is more about unity of the Ghanaian people. We the Africans are more tribalistic in terms. When I say tribalistic, I'm not saying it in a negative way, but we are more like we define ourselves of more of where we come from in terms of our tribes, not the country that we actually come from. It's only when it gets to national event, that's when we recognize ourselves as Ghanaians. But when we're in Ghana, we recognize ourselves individually as the tribes that we actually come from. So I think this is more preaching about more of unity, togetherness. Two cultures coming together, letting the world know that, or letting Ghanaians know that two cultures, different mindset, different ideology can coexist in the same environment.
Great. Ekafante kaka.
Ekafante
kaka. Okay. Inti nyame adoma yes deba no bo wie ende. Abe nsem ekor ana ebi ni bi na be ka cha unua fantefo ana unua na fantefo Western region where we see here. And then also next month we're doing Oguafe to Afashe. What would you tell people?
I still make a check there. When it comes to festivals in Ghana, the Central region has it. The Central region holds it down from Fetu Afashe, Bakatue, or Dambia, or Kwambo, and all that. Central region has it all. Wow. Even though I'm from the Western region.
Now, how when's Afasha?
Western region, me and Afashe the
Ankos, December. Okay.
December, and so on, and Afashe. And I think we also celebrate a bit of Kundum in the Nzema side, and it is so nice. But the Kundum is celebrated by only a few. The Nzema is that we actually, but the hunters also celebrate the Kundum, but it's not that much of a big deal than the Nzemas. Okay. But when it comes to the Central region, it's big. Cape Coast is doing it, Elmina is doing it, Saltspon, Mankesim and all that. So
Winneba,
I was there. I was in Abuachi too. It was kind of good. So I think Charlie Central region has it all. Say Afasha Ombra Central region.
Straight.
Next month Fitu Afasha Orokodo Obiambra.
Straight. So that's Nii for you. Nii mada woshiwake oba. My gun too is somewhere. Oba beer. Shidabe hello.
Inu.
Okay, so that's our brother from the West Side. Also came through to witness this year's Edina Bakatue. Have Negos here, and Ato, please join me. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk about Elmina and what's happening in town today. Is with rights and performances. Today is the last day, and it's happening at the forecourt of the Elmina Castle. Ato is also with us here at Mantse restaurant. I say.
Senior,
what's the name? If you could have another than what
you are the
Abazon go pay Cote d'Ivoire.
A Castro family sword.
Oh, family war.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You have a minute. Sell Edina to the people watching us. What would you have to tell them?
Charlie, Elmina is the best place to be, especially from July. Elmina is the best place. So living here is a bit cheaper compared to other regions because here is more like calm, accommodation wise is very cheap, and food is very cheap. So if you want a place where you can invest, there's a lot of investment opportunities here. When you talk about fishing, this lagoon that you see around here, it gives a lot, millions of money each day. So if you really want to invest in something, agriculture, there's a lot of land here, fertile land that you can invest. So Elmina is one of the best places to, invest your money if you want to gain something.
Okay, now walk us through the whole celebration from Monday till now. What has been the icing on the cake for you as a content creator?
The icing on the cake is the arrival of the mantse.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the top up. Big icing on the cake for us this year. Yeah.
We were not there. You were there. Give us a pictorial We're still live here at the mantse restaurant, early celebration the offer bakatue. Today's a Derby day, and everything is happening very, very well as expected. And we have people from all walks of life coming through to witness this wonderful celebration. And with me here is one man also doing very well in terms of digital Rex. His name is Nii. I don't know if he speaks Ghana. I'm going to ask him if he speaks Ghana.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Hey, you speak Ghana. Are you Ghana?
Yeah, I'm a Ghana.
Oh, so your king is in town.
Yeah, my king's in town.
How does that make you feel?
And, you know, like showcasing the Ghana culture, the Ghana tradition in the central region. It's a sight to behold, you know.
Right.
It's a history that I'm witnessing for the first time, and this is really great, and it's a great experience.
Okay, is it your first time in Central Region?
No, this is not my first time in Central Region. I've been here for quite some time, and you know, I normally do come to festivals in Central Region. But,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I intentionally made it a date to make it to this particular day. You know that the Gaman chair will be here, so that's it.
All right, so it's your first time celebrating Edina bakatue.
Nah, this is my second time.
This is your second time.
Yeah.
Throw us back. Last year and this year, what has been some of the changes you've seen?
Okay, so I think last year was my first time. You know, I've been to so many festivals, and last year was my first time. And even though it was my first time, but I did a bit of criticism. I criticized the festival a bit last year because I hadn't really experienced it that much. So it was really with the regatta that I actually criticized a bit because of there was a bit of disorganization and all that. But I also realized that no, I shouldn't go hard. I shouldn't criticize because this is the only festival that there's a kind of a regatta, and it's a very difficult organization. Something you're organizing on the water, so you don't have much control over the controlling people who will try to misconduct themselves on the river and all that. So it was that I realized that no, this is one of the best festivals in terms of organizations, in terms of trying to put everything together. So I think with this year I've come to understand the festival rather. So I think I appreciate the organizers with what they've done.